don't know why this truck keeps surging. But yeah, it's like a slight surge and everything. When I have it in reverse or in gear with the AC on, the idle is kind of low, probably around like 500-ish. I was just wondering if anybody has any ideas what could it be causing the surge and or low idle. And it has a very like a, when it starts up first of the day, it's like it's not getting gas or whatever. It has struggle. It has a little bit of time catching itself to go to idle. It starts off a little like it wants to cut out, like die off. The fuel pressure is good. I checked it. It's at 11 psi. New plugs, new wires, new distributor cap, new rotor. Changed the coolant temperature sending unit down in there on top of the intake manifold. Cleaned, rebuilt the throttle body. Replaced the idle air control. Redid the timing twice, and it's still kind of giving me some issues. The only thing left is to change the map sensor and the distributor, but seem to be running fine. But yeah, if anybody got any good troubleshooting methods to figure why this vehicle is like surging, would be greatly appreciated. Also rebuilt this motor with a stage 2 cam in it, so if that has anything to do with it, just let me know. Thanks, appreciate the help.